healthy salad is one of the things you can eat after you break your fast. Yes, after you break your fast, eat healthy salad. A lot of people eat fruit. Yes, I also eat fruits, combination of different type of fruits, which is good. I encourage people to eat fruit as well. But this salad, I made it. This salad is filled with protein, with carb, and it's very, very healthy. I made it because I just finished my fasting and I say, you know what, I want to eat rich and healthy salad like this. Come closer if you want me to tell you how I made this lovely salad. So as you can see, I peeled my carrots. Yeah, I normally peel my carrot before I use it to make anything. After peeling the carrots, I cut the carrots into pieces. I didn't shred it. I cut my carrots into cubes. And this salad, I made it with two carrots, two little carrots, not large carrots. And this is what I also added. I added meats. Yes, I added chicken nuggets. You know, chicken nugget is made with meat. Yes, so I added it to this salad. Just for the protein sake of it, I needed something that will make it rich in taste, make it flavorful, and also needed something that will make it healthy. So I added my chicken nugget. This chicken nugget, I didn't make it myself. I bought it already made. I just microwave it to make it easy for me. Then I cut it into cube. I added it into this salad. So this vegetable you're looking at right now is spinach. This is spinach and lettuce mixed together. I got my spinach, I cut it into pieces. I got my lettuce, I cut it into pieces. I mixed all of this together. And I also added some cream. Yeah, I made my cream with honey. I got the honey, I mixed it in a bowl with salt and a little bit of pepper and a little bit of milk. Yeah, that is what I used to make my sauce. I added it, the salad cream, I added everything together. I poured it into this salad. I mixed it, and when I was eating it, yeah, I was enjoying it. If you love this recipe, comment love this recipe, and I'll be making more of this recipe for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do well to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you, my dear, will be the first to receive notification about this video. So I'm eating it and I'm enjoying it and I love it, and it's sweet. When you make this healthy salad, you will also enjoy it. When you make it, you will love it. You will never want to stop eating this type of salad. It's filling. When I make it, I eat it. It's always filling. I don't really feel like eating much food. And a lot of people have said you lost weight, you lost weight. Yes, that's because I like to eat healthy and I'm eating something that will make me, look fit and healthy. So guys, try this salad at home. You would definitely love to make it again and again. All right guys, from me it is bye. Enjoy me eat my salad. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video. I'm looking like sweet 16. Yeah, this filter is really filtering, I tell you. See me looking cutie. Yeah, so bye guys, I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.